I am about unfunneling everything. So I don't do the lead capture funnel because your premium dream customers, I promise you, are sitting at the bottom of that funnel and they're waiting for you. They're looking for you. And to give you an example of why this is so important to understand is, let's say, for example, I've seen some people who already wanted the 100,000 or 10K a month, whatever. Let's pretend that you did want that as your revenue, and I'm going to give you 5% conversion instead of 2 to 3%. Okay. Let's look at this for a second. If you were selling a $97 product, then that means you need over 20,000 people to actually see your sales page. I'm not talking about leads because that's astronomical. I'm talking about actual people who go see the sales page. And that means you need 1,000 sales per year. Maybe it doesn't sound like a lot, but to me, that's quite a bit of sales. And even just having the leads to get the right people to actually click on the thing to go see it. If you move it up to 297, that means you need over 6,000 people to see the sales page. Again, I want to really emphasize that. I'm not talking about getting leads and some of those leads turn into the clicks. So we're talking about just the click people, right? And then you still need 337 people. Not too bad. But then I looked at the 29.97. So that's where my product is at the $3,000 mark. And all I need is 667 people to see the offer. And I only need 33 sales. Make sense?